and go.
Okay, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to put our problem down. So, our equation is CH4 plus O2 yields CO2 plus H2O. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to put a line by the yield sign. Now we have to tell how many there are for each element. So for C, we're going to have 1.
Carbon.
For H, we're going to have 4.
Hydrogen.
For O, we're going to have 2.
Oxygen.
So since we did it to this side, we have to do it to this side. So now what we're going to do is C has 1. H has 2. And O has 3. So now what we're going to do is we're going to have to try to get these to balance with these. So now I'm going to hand it over to Vanessa so she can tell you how to do that.
Okay. There should be like a line right there, and a line right there, and a line right there, and a line right there. That represents the number it would be multiplied for the elements if needed. We don't need to multiply carbon by anything because they're already balanced 1 to 1. This is 4, this is 2, so we'll have to multiply this by 2 in order for it to equal 4. So since this is here, we just have to multiply that by 2. Put the 2 there, 2 there. And then that would make this a 4, and then this a 6, because 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so that's 4, these are balanced, and then we have a 6 and a 2. So we just multiply this by 3 to make it a 6. So now this is a 6, still 4, 1, and 1. So we don't really have to put anything here, but we can, just 1. So 1 CH4 plus 3 O2 yields, we could put a 1 here, 1 CO2 plus 2 H2O. Now the equation, like this written out, would be CH4 plus 3 O2 yields CO2 plus 2 H2O. That is the equation. Ta-da!